In this guide, we will show you exactly how you can buy cryptocurrencies with PayPal in a safe and secure way. We will present you 3 different options so you can decide which option is best for you. And let's get right into it. The first option is ByBit. ByBit is one of the largest crypto exchanges. If you don't have a ByBit account yet, you can go to the description. There is a link, and with that link you will get to the ByBit website. With that link you actually also get access to a really nice bonus. Now, once you have registered on ByBit, go to the top right corner and go to account and security, because you first have to verify your identity, and then you will get to this page right here. So go to the identity verification section, put in all of the details, and then we can proceed with buying cryptos on ByBit. Once you have verified your identity on ByBit, you want to go to the top left corner, hover over buy crypto, and then select P2P trading. You can already see it has 0% trading fees and is a really great P2P trading platform. Now we want to select PayPal, so go to this section right here where it says all payment methods, because now we can specify that we only want to see orders with PayPal. Then we click on confirm. Now these are in euro because I'm in euro, but alternatively you can also choose US dollars or any other available currency. You can see that there are tons of currencies supported, so I'm sure you will find exactly what you're looking for. Now it is very important on the ByBit P2P platform that you want to look for a seller that has a lot of orders and a high completion rate. You can see here he has a 99% completion rate and 866 orders. Here is another great option, 99% completion rate and 304 orders. And then you can select a seller and buy cryptocurrencies with PayPal. And another great option where you can buy cryptos with PayPal is Bitvavo. And what I love about Bitvavo, they actually have PayPal directly integrated in the platform. Now it is important to note that Bitvavo is a European platform, so you need to be from the European region in order to buy cryptos on Bitvavo. You also need to verify your identity. If you don't have a Bitvavo account, go to the video description and click that link and register for an account. And then once you have an account, you need to verify your identity. Go to the top right corner and go to verification, and then you have to put in all of your personal details. Once you have done the KYC verification, go to the home page, go to deposit, and then you can already see PayPal is directly integrated in Bitvavo, and that's what I absolutely love about this. So let's just put in 100 euros. You can see the fee is 2%, but overall we get a really good service for what we're paying here. It's very simple and straightforward. You simply go on confirm and deposit, and then you can already see I was redirected to the official PayPal website, and then I just have to log in and finalize the payment. And the last option where you can buy cryptos with PayPal is Paxful. Now Paxful is another P2P trading platform, kind of similar to ByBit, and you can also choose different currencies here, for example Bitcoin, Tether and USD coin, and you can also specify the payment method. So you can search for PayPal, simply select it right there. Okay, there we go, and let's just go with 100 US dollars, which we want to pay. And now it will look for the best orders, and then you can, similar to ByBit, look through all of the options here and then select the best option for you. So as you can see, there are quite a few platforms where you can buy cryptos with PayPal. All of the links are also in the description of this video. Just create your account, you need to verify your identity, and then you can buy cryptos with PayPal.